Umintri Sarkar Basan Borshulai Hakasni Thoding Ulapan Ramjur Yaka Voice of the People Party Namar ka jingpyrshah Yaka Jingwan Umintri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Shaka Leniam deinkhlam But Kintho Abagani ka Jingle Ganika Party Kada Ija burom shisha But ka bom idon kam satya banle Himanta ulawan chakani ka jingle niam hajuwai hakasni palay kum unong shakwat sngopa hakasin ra juwai ba unlong ukong san Kibedan lang hakani ka leniam hikintup yung simbut menteri rangba ka jila uba Sanbor shulai MLA ka than but kiway.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed with that the the party they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Panar community, the deinkhlam. Yesterday, I was also with him on other Deputy Chief Minister, local MLA. We are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Panar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sindrai, Joai, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Panar deinkhlam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestion, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.